Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, you guys, and so far the morning is super bad, you guys. Right now it's 9 something and I got here 8 o'clock. I haven't given nothing, I haven't delivered nothing, you guys. I'm just in the parking lot reading my book. That's how slow it is today. So let me just keep waiting in here. I don't know when I'm gonna receive my first order, but I know I need money. All I know, I need to work. They need to give me orders, y'all. Oh, I just received an order. I hope it's a good order. Let me go check it out. You guys, I am starting to think like what's going on. I'm receiving this order, the same order. This is like my 10th time, you guys, receiving this order. I don't know what's going on in my account, but other people around me, they getting orders, you guys. I keep seeing them come getting an order. They bring the order, they go deliver, they come back, they bring out the order again. So I don't understand, and I keep receiving same offer like this one, same one. Like keep coming every 3 minutes. I'm like, what's going on? Yo, finally after 2 hours, you guys, I just received an order, $26. Before this order, I received a couple of different orders, but I declined them because they was not good. So $26 for 8 miles, 3 customer drop off. So I'm waiting for my pickup time so they can bring it out. Yo, I said 3 customer drop off. It's 2. I just realized it's 2 customer drop off. So that's a very good order over there. That's a very nice offer. 26 for 2 customer drop off. Right, let's drop our first order. It's a lot, but we got it. I just received the shopping offer. I had to shop for 2 people. $26 for 3.7 miles. And I'm shopping in total of 17 items. Hold on. That's A over there. And this is B. This is my last drop off. I already dropped my for the customer A. So right now I'm dropping for the customer B. 1B here. Received another order, $22 for 10 miles. 3 customer drop off. So let's wait for them to bring it out. Alright, you guys, this is my last drop off out of 3 orders. Out of those 3 orders, this is my last one. I think she's waiting for me on the door. Hello, you good? Okay. $21 for 5 miles, and it's a shopping order. I'm shopping. We're good. I'm shopping for 13 items. Finally, I get it. Oh, I am here. Let's take this thing down. You guys, I received an order coming to this Walmart over here. And they just say that they don't have the power. So like it's empty right now, almost. So I'm about to cancel this order and go back to my main Walmart. With another order. This is $33, $32 for I think it was 6 miles. So I'm at the first drop off. So let's drop off. My second drop off. I need a drive license. Does it work? Ooh. Go to 112. 908. 110. 112. Yeah. You guys, they just removed my order. You guys. So this is what happened. I had they gave me $23 for 3 customer drop off for 8 miles, you guys. So I'm here at Walmart. I start my order and I forget to put my parking number in, and guess what? They just canceled my order. They just canceled it, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at myself right now. What did I forget? So now we have to sit here and wait for another order. I forget to put the parking number in. And I also forget to swap arrive, you guys. I just started my order and that was it. I didn't hit arrive. Well, it's alright. We're gonna get another one. $25 for 2.2 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 7 items. 7 items. H22. Going to 10. I need this air fryer. Next we need, I need this for myself, y'all. Need to get 2 of them. I love it. So let's scan. I really, really love it, y'all. I'm gonna come to get it. You guys, I am done with my shift and I was able to make 171, y'all. 171 for the day, yeah. How it started in the morning is not how the rest of the day ended, y'all. After 11, I was getting order. Like in every hour, I had one order at least. So do not, if Spark is slow in your area, do not give up and just go home. Stay. You never know how it can change in a minute. Because how it started, y'all, I was like, today is going to be a bad day. But look, I made 171, y'all. I made $171. I didn't know how I was going to make that money today. I really didn't know. So, if you enjoyed watching this kind of content, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.